Good morning, dear students. Welcome my today online class, and today I will teach chapter number 17, Forest Our Lifeline. Okay, a student, I am your science teacher. Okay, and today we will discuss about forest because forest is our lifeline. Okay, so student, you can imagine just like what is forest. Okay, so all of you know about this. Okay, so I have explained about definition or what do you mean by forest. Okay, so forest. Okay, forest is a large area of land covered thickly with different kinds of trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, creepers and climbers. Okay, student, forest is a home to many animals and plant species. Okay, so forest cover approximately one third of the earth total land surface, roughly about 3.9 million hectares. 3.9 million hectares.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
So the roughly about 3.9 million hectares, including the polar region and grassland. How to plant and animals depend in each other in a forest. Why a forest important for us? Why a forest being out at the faster rate? How has deforestation being out at the faster rate? Okay, so how deforestation led drastic changes in our environment? Let us find the answer all the questions in this chapter, but let us first know about structure of forest. Okay, so this is the structure of forest. So this is the structure of forest. Okay, and you can see the many trees, shrubs, grasses in the forest. Okay, so you can see in the picture. Look here. Okay, so this layer showing canopy. Okay, and under the canopy showing understory, this layer to this layer, and the lowermost layer is showing forest floor. Okay, so the structure of a forest, the type of vegetation and animals found in different forests vary depending on the climatic conditions of the region the forest is situated in. Okay, so forest consists of different types of vegetation. The three main layer. Okay, the three main layer of a forest is starting from top to ground. Okay, the three main layer of a forest is starting from top to lower layer. Okay, so or in other word, top to ground. Okay, so there are three layer: canopy, second is understory, and third is forest floor. Okay, so the part of tree above the trunk which consists of branches, many branches, okay, is known as crown of the tree. Okay, so the crown are of different types and size. The amount of sunlight available in each layer, okay, available in each layer of the forest decides which type of plants may grow and survive there. It also decides the habitat of various animals. That clear? So the first, okay, first layer of the forest is canopy. Okay, so the forest top layer, okay, forest top layer consists of branches and leaves of tall trees, forming a kind of roof of umbrella, just like roof of umbrella. Okay, over the smaller trees and other plant in the forest. Okay, so what is a canopy? Canopy, the uppermost branches and leaves of tall trees which act like a roof or umbrella over the smaller trees in the forest is called canopy. Okay, so the uppermost branches and leaves of tall trees which act like a roof or umbrella over the smaller trees in the forest is called canopy. And the second layer of the forest is understory. Okay, a large variety of birds in canopy. A large variety of birds, bats, monkeys and insects live here. Okay, insect and birds live here. Live here. Birds and insects. Okay, layer birds and insect mean layer of canopy. And second layer is understory. The layer of vegetation in a forest just below the canopy is called understory. So it mainly has different horizontal layer. Below the tall trees has different, okay, trees are smaller trees and below which are the shrubs and tall grasses. Okay, so the lowest layer is formed of herbs, plants such as orchids, plants, palms and ferns grow in the region. Okay, in this region, understory region, grow plants such as orchids, palms, ferns. So a large variety of insect, birds, snakes, lizard and carnivorous predators such as jaguars, pythons and leopards live here. Okay, live here in this understory layer. A variety of insects, birds, snakes and lizards. Okay, lizards and carnivorous predators such as jaguars, pythons and leopards. So live here orchids, palms and fern. Live here orchids, okay, orchids, ferns, okay, and in animals just like pythons, leopards, okay, and leopards. All this live here. Okay, so the next layer of the forest is forest floor. Okay, so this this region receive very little amount of sunlight. Only plant adapted to grow very less light can survive in this damp, warm and dark region of forest. Okay, so the region receive very little amount of sunlight. Only plant grow adapted to grow with very less light can survive in this damp, warm and dark region of the forest. The forest floor has various kind of small leafless. So there is no leaf. Okay, leafless and various kind of small leafless and plants such as mosses and lichens. The floor is covered with a layer of these and small, okay, dead and small worms, decaying leaves, fruits, seeds, twigs, okay, a large variety of insect, millipedes, ants and beetles, okay, are found on the forest floor. So the largest animal in the forest such as tigers, lions, deer, bears, etc. lie on the forest floor. Okay, so the students in lie the forest floor. Okay, so example live here forest floor. Okay, live here forest floor. The animal is the and plants is the also plant mosses and lichens. Mosses and lichens. Okay, and also live here in animals. Okay, live here in animals. That's clear. So insect, ants. Okay, insects, ants and lions, tigers. Okay, tigers and lions. Okay, so I hope understood all of you the structure of forest. There are three layer: canopy, understory and forest floor. Okay, I hope all of you understood today class topic. Regarding this topic, any doubts you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good.